Christmas. Welcome back to another Celebrity Sweets. I'm Ethan, and the holidays are fast approaching, and chances are if you turn on your radio to a holiday station or any station this time of year, you're going to hear that one iconic Christmas song, All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. Now, this song was actually released in 1994, which was like 7 years before I was born, but it is still so relevant today. You hear it all over the place and all the time, like not even during the holidays. So today we are going to be making something inspired by All I Want for Christmas Is You. And in the music video, you'll find Mariah in a stocking cap outside, kind of building a snowman and playing with Santa. So today we're going to replicate that using a peppermint cookie. And make sure to stay tuned till the end where I'll announce a special holiday giveaway. The ingredients for this recipe are 1 2/3 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, half a cup of butter, 1 large egg, half a cup of crushed peppermint, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of peppermint extract. To decorate, you'll need white sanding sugar and red and white royal icing. You'll also need some sort of hat cookie cutter. I found this one online, and I'll put a link in the description below if you'd like to use this same one. The first thing we're going to do is in a small bowl whisk together all of our dry ingredients. That is your flour, this is more like a blizzard, baking soda, and salt. I just set our dry ingredients off to this side, and now we can start to work on our base for these cookies. We are going to combine our butter and sugar in a large bowl, and using a hand mixer, mix it up on high speed for 1 minute until it is nice and creamy. Once you've creamed together your butter and sugar, now add in your egg, mix it up, and then add in your extracts, both vanilla and peppermint. Once you've added in all of your wet ingredients, then scrape down the side of the bowl. After you scrape down the sides of the bowl, now I can start to make this cookie dough. Start by taking half of your dry ingredients and add it to the wet, mix it up, then add the last half of your dry ingredients to the wet and mix it up. Now when I was doing research for this, I actually found that Mariah Carey recorded this song in 15 minutes. Like, wrote the song in 15 minutes. Like, these cookies take 15 minutes to make. And she could write a song that is like 2018 minus 94. Like 14 years old. Anyways, our peppermint cookie dough has come together, and now I want to transfer this over to some plastic wrap and then pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. Our cookies are almost ready to go into the oven. There's just one more thing I want to do before we put them in there, and that is to coat them into our crushed peppermint. Over here I've taken the half a cup of peppermint and laid it down onto a plate. And now we're just going to take one of our cookies and dip one side of the cookie into it, and then place that side face up back on the cookie sheet. Our cookies have that layer of peppermint crumble on them, so now we can pop them into the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. So our cookies are out of the oven, and I've given them plenty of time to cool, about 10 minutes. And now we can start to add on our royal icing and sprinkles to really enhance this hat look. To do this, flip over your cookie so that the peppermint is on the bottom and you have a smooth surface to ice. Start by taking your white royal icing and pipe a small band right above the bottom. Then dip that band in some white sanding sugar. Outline the rest of your cookie in your red royal icing. Fill it in, and then pipe on some extra details to look like a winter woven hat. And here we have them, our Mariah Carey All I Want for Christmas Is You cookies that we made today. These are a peppermint cookie, and we sprinkled our own peppermint crumble on top, and then decorated them to look like the little stocking cap that Mariah wears during the music video. You get like the crunch from the bottom of the cookie, which if you just bite into this, you don't even expect that. And then there's that hint of peppermint extract in the cookie itself. And then that plain royal icing kind of just rounds out this cookie. It is the perfect holiday cookie. You can let your imagination run with the piping on the hat or what color you'd like to make it. If you do happen to make this, please share it with me on Instagram or Twitter. And if you have any other requests for another Celebrity Sweets, please leave it down in the comments below. And for the giveaway, you might have seen this Mariah Carey Merry Christmas CD sitting back there. Today I will be giving this away to one of you. The giveaway is open to anyone, anywhere, and all you have to do is subscribe and comment down below what you want for Christmas. The winner will be chosen on December 27th, that is 1 week from today, and I know you're not getting it in time for Christmas, but you have it for next Christmas, or just turn it on in July. You know, Christmas in July. If you are in need of a holiday gift idea, do not worry. I've got you covered with some Celebrity Sweets socks over on Teespring. You can click the link in the description below to get them. Right now in the store we have the original Celebrity Sweets, the Let's Talk About socks, which are taco socks. Each month there will be 3 new additions to my collection, so make sure to check back. Until next time, savor life and make it sweet. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button down below. And while you're at it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking the red subscribe button next to the channel name, or this cute little donut right here. When subscribing, make sure to ring the bell so you know when I upload a new video. And if you're looking for more content, up here is my newest video where we made some country Christmas cactus cookies. And down here is what YouTube thinks you should watch. That's all for today. I will see you guys this Sunday.